Children, how are you all? How are you all? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. Today is 28th January 2021, Thursday. Yes, children? 10th class children, we were doing the lesson Nation and Diversity. Glossary part. Erstwhile, former. Undistinguished, not very interesting, successful or attractive. Ancestral, of grandparents or forefathers. Austere, simple and plain. Orthodox, following closely and traditional beliefs, the traditional beliefs and practices of a religion. Simon, to order somebody to come to you. Conviction, the act of finding somebody guilty of crime. Clear, children? Segregation, the policy or act of separating. What is the meaning of conservative? Opposed to great or sudden social change. Conservative, very old ideology. Rituals, a series of actions, especially as a part of religious ceremony. Perturb, to make worried or anxious. Confront, to deal with a problem or situation. Optimism, a feeling that good things will happen. Grammar part, one by one. Listen carefully, children. Fill in the blanks with suitable words, often confused, given in the bracket. 10th class children, you have to make your classwork books and complete everything like we are giving you in grammar or lessons. Okay? Grammar is most important, as you all know. We don't have much time. Most of the time in this COVID situation we have lost. So whatever is being given from last week or from November, December, write everything in the classwork books and complete it and keep it covered neatly so that you can learn it at the time of exams. First one, Samsuddin helped me earn my first income. One of the both, any one of the both answers, wages or income. He received a proportion of his income or wages, income from selling tamarind seeds. He is innocent or ignorant about technology, ignorant. However, he was found innocent, right? Or ignorant of any crime, innocent. He lost all the wealth he had inherited from his father because he acquired bad habits. You understand the little difference? Inherited, acquired. Innocent, ignorant. Okay? Innocent means positive sign of something. Innocent. Knowingly you don't do. Ignorant means in this generation, if you don't know computers and all, you are ignorant them. You are not innocent. Knowingly you are doing harm of yourself. You are the back from the current knowledge, then you are ignorant. Okay? Innocent, if you don't have eyesight or if you don't have facilities, you are called innocent. He lost all the wealth he had inherited from his father because he acquired bad habits. People from different backgrounds would mingle easily. Got it? Easily mixed group of people do not come to an agreement. People in Rameshwaram were very adamant in terms of segregation of direct social groups. Subramanya Iyer rigidly opposed it. Next one, children, 8th one. The car collided with a stationary. There is a very little difference. NARY means pen, pencil. That's stationary. Stationary vehicle which is standing in one place only. The car collided with a stationary vehicle when we were going to buy some stationery from the bookstall. Clear? She was enveloped in a huge white towel. We sent an airmail envelope abroad. The floor was laid with a newspaper. He lied many times. Clear? Next. Following paragraph by choosing the appropriate links words. Next, for example, however, secondly, finally, thirdly. Got it? Linking words help us in many ways in writing. For example, they help us in presenting our ideas in a meaningful way. Firstly, they help us to introduce and develop the main idea of the paragraph. Secondly, they help us to illustrate and add supporting details. Thirdly, they help us in moving from one idea to another by binding one sentence with another. Finally, they help us to understand the ideas presented in the paragraph. However, using too many linking words ruin the structure and coherence of the paragraph. Clear, children? Fill in the blanks with appropriate choices from the brackets. I don't want to go to a restaurant. Besides or as a result, what should be used appropriately? Note down these things in the classwork. I'm telling you again. Besides, we can't afford it. A career in IT field is lucrative at the same time, or similarly, at the same time it is stressful and it can even be harmful to oneself. I understand your problem, however, I can't help you. Transportation has developed a lot in India. Likewise, the trade too has improved. Some of the students scored low ranks in the exam, so that the teacher arranged a series of remedial classes. The sentences using the linkers given in the brackets. Smartly you should do this. Okay? There were freezing temperatures. They tricked for hours. In spite of is used here. Okay? In spite of freezing temperature, they trekked for hours. It's an interesting city. We are going to visit it again. Such that. It is such an interesting city that we are going to visit it again. Will be the answer. Clear, children? Third one, we booked a holiday. We had very little amount of money. Although we had very little money, we booked a holiday. Use the word in the bracket and appropriate sentence. In spite of freezing temperatures, is it correct? Did you understand? They trekked for hours. It is such an interesting city that we are going to visit again. Although we had very little money, we booked a holiday. The tour guide was so informative that we didn't need to read our guidebook. In spite of hating water, we booked a cruise. Though preachers preach many good things, they do not practice many things. Neither Zainul Abidin had formal education nor wealth. Besides, continental dimensions of a country account for variations and diversities. There are several religious sects and beliefs. This homework is, first one, what is the synonym of austere and Simon? Second one, join the sentences using linkers. Here, just now which we had done 2 slides back. The homework is the same. Zainul Abidin had no formal education and wealth. Neither ... nor. Second one, we had no money, we booked the vacation. We have to use although in the sentence and make appropriate correct sentences and send me by evening 5:30. Assalamu alaikum. See you children in next class. Make neat classwork books, complete your homeworks and send me. Don't forget. Thank you. Bye.